welcome back. In this lecture, we're going to continue our basic airway series by talking about oxygenation and respiration. Oxygenation is the process of loading oxygen molecules onto hemoglobin molecules within the bloodstream. Oxygenation is required for internal respiration to take place, but does not guarantee that internal respiration is in fact taking place. If you'll remember ventilation, the process of moving air into and out of the lungs, ventilation can occur without oxygenation when the oxygen levels have been depleted. Respiration is the actual exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide in the alveoli and at the tissues of the body. At this level, we define two types of respiration that occurs. We define external respiration and internal respiration. External respiration, also known as pulmonary respiration, brings fresh air into the respiratory system through ventilation and exchanges oxygen and carbon dioxide between the alveoli and the blood in the pulmonary capillaries. This process occurs at the lungs, and we call this external or pulmonary respiration. The other type of respiration is internal respiration, and this is the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide between the systemic circulatory system and the cells. The exchange of gases at the cellular level relies on adequate perfusion to the tissue. In the event that internal respiration is not occurring and oxygen is not being adequately delivered to the tissues, we enter into a state called anaerobic metabolism, where the cells are trying to create ATP, the body's energy source, without the presence of oxygen. The normal respiration process for the cells is called aerobic metabolism, and this is where the cells create ATP, or the energy source for the body, in the presence of oxygen with adequate circulation and respiration occurring.